Hello and welcome back to my channel, rawreallove. In today's video, I am going to be showing you breastfeeding style tips and tricks. So for this outfit here, I'm just wearing a sweater and I have a sports bra underneath it. And I usually just wear leggings or yoga pants when I'm at home, but this is really easy because when I breastfeed, I just lift it up. Or you can see that it's easy to pull down. You just really want your outfit to be comfortable. And this is another example of something that I like to wear. So I'll wear like a tank top underneath and then a cardigan. And what I like to do is that I can pull the tank top down if I'm feeding in public, and then I'll pull my cardigan over to kind of hide and conceal, so your child's not showing your breast off, because mine likes to pull my shirt all the way up. And this is just another example. I really like wearing these. They're cute and they're comfortable. And again, it has enough room for me to pull it over to the side when she's nursing. And this is just another one that I have. And I just personally like wearing anything that's flowy and cute and it's comfortable, of course. And this is a longer cardigan. I like to wear this more during like the cold winter months, but this is just another example of what I have in my closet. And this sweater I got years ago at Target, but one thing I really love about it is it has these two really big sides, like flaps, that just hang down, and I liked it because then when you're wearing it, you can just fold it over. It's kind of like another blanket for your child. Here's just a button up. So what I do is I would just button it down and pull down when I'm feeding her. And this is just a like poncho, and what I would do is lift it up and then pull my tank top down for her to nurse that way. And that way you can still be cute and comfy. And this is absolutely probably my favorite method, is wearing a t-shirt with a tank top underneath, as you can see here, because then I would just pull my tank top down when she's breastfeeding, and then your stomach is not exposed and your sides are not exposed, your back is not exposed, and you can pull down from either side. And of course, it's just another really comfortable outfit. Here is an example for a long sleeve. Again, you're going to do the same exact thing. And next we're going to be talking about dresses. So this one I can simply pull down, and I won't wear a tank top underneath, I'd wear a bra. Same thing here, but this one actually buttons down, and that makes it easy to feed as well. And this dress here, it does button down a little bit. I love it, it has pockets, but the thing that I love the most is that it's very loose, so I can pull down, and there are a few buttons there that makes that easy to feed her as well. And this one, as you can see, it does not have buttons or zips or anything, but it is pretty loose. And I'll actually like pull my boob up actually if I need to, because I still, as a mom, breastfeeding mom, I like to look cute and put together. So here I threw this one in. This is a Poncho Style, and it's just super comfortable, and I like wearing this during the colder months. You can even wear it on a summer night. It's super cute, and I'll just pull it up. Of course, I'm gonna wear a tank top underneath, and sometimes she actually likes to put the whole thing over her, so that's pretty funny. And if all else fails, use a swaddle. You can leave it on one side like I like to do, or you can actually put it over your shoulders on both sides to cover and conceal. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like here and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.